Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Did y'all ever meter this? Just for fun?
We metered her a couple times. It doesn't do completely great on.
Yeah. I would guess you got a 42? 140?
The best I've got out of this has been about a 45, 7.
That's pretty good. Yeah. Wow, okay. It's impressive. Uh-oh. Are these 4-inch? 6.5. Yep. What size is those ports? 3s?
I haven't measured them, but
yeah.
Those ports are actually the roll that tent comes on.
Really? Okay.
Budget bill.
Yes, ma'am. And what is your name?
Dana.
Dana, okay. Did you build the box or?
My husband did.
Okay. Nice.
He's got the Jeep beside us.
Okay. And your amp, where's the amp at for the box? Is it behind it? Okay. Don't worry about it. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Every meter I ran into 142, 143. This motherfucker sounded like a dead deer.
And you got some 6x9s. Those are nice. Awesome, perfect. Ah, you got a cab. Is that the 1600 or 2K? 1600, okay. So you have 4. So is this at 1 ohm or half ohm? Do you know?
I think he's got it wired down. Maybe got it wired down to half ohm.
It's wired down to 1 ohm.
1 ohm.
You can't
Okay.
go half.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I come up here.
I'll get a demo in a little bit. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Somebody give me some of that when I was coming up. Grab a load for your kids.
Somos a couple of 6.5s. Awesome. What was your name again?
Dana.
Dana. Thank you, Dana. Thank you for the short demo.
Not a problem.
Woo. Stay cool. Getting a little hot.
I know.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too.
We got it. You gotta get it, get
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.